Good morning, guys. It's 18. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, we are making some pancakes. Yes, we are making some pancakes. So that's what we are doing.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, we are just heading into church. So that's what we're doing. We just got done church. I just had grilled cheese sandwich at my parents' place, and I just picked up some random stuff that we have in the apartment. Then tomorrow I should just go through it to make sure everything's good, make sure things are good, and so that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am head to my new place, because I'm going to be blowing up my mattress. Oops. Hey guys, I got stuck in the mud, you guys. Yes, I got stuck in the mud. Yeah, so we got CAA back there to hook me up. So that's what we did. Hey guys, right now, you guys, I'm just gonna basic wash, you guys, because my tires are really dirty since I got stuck. So right now, you guys, I'm just getting soap and then just get a basic wash, you guys. Yes. That's what I'm going to be doing, so I'll talk to you guys when we go through the car wash. So right now, you guys, I'm in my new place, you guys. Yes, we got a lot of stuff to do. We still have to do the man cave, which is not bad. I can show you guys the man cave. See, we still have all this stuff to pack, unbox, so it's gonna take a little while, but that's okay, you guys. We got this, you guys. So I'm just gonna be doing the fridge, put the fridge stuff in the fridge. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I do that. You guys, I'm just heading to work, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to work. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading home, so to my apartment, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get to my place. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm making my first meal here today. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet. Let's see, what can we have? What can we have? Look at the freezer, you guys. We got a bigger freezer than the other place. I don't know. I think I know what I'm gonna have. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna have. You remember the first, the pasta that we had at Boston Pizza, you guys? That's what I'm gonna cook up, you guys. So this is the meal that I'm having for my very first meal in my new apartment, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. It's a brand new video. Goodbye.